So look, pay close attention. This is what y'all gonna do to get a sound pack. So what you wanna do is join the Discord in the description, and then you're gonna wanna react and press verification. You're gonna see all these channels. What you're gonna do, you wanna scroll down until you see custom sound pack. You wanna click it, and it'll be right here once this video's up. Man, what's up, y'all? So I ain't gonna lie, this is like one of the best sound packs in my opinion for if you're playing the lands or any server really. I just think this is common in my opinion. I'm gonna let y'all hear it real quick with the Glock 40. I think that's really common in my opinion. I'm gonna show y'all the combat pistol real quick. Show y'all this real quick. You can hear bullets drop to the floor. It's really nice and realistic in my opinion. I'm not gonna lie. Obviously at the start of the video you heard me say if you wanna go and download it, join the Discord in the comments. But yeah, I mean that's really it. If y'all wanna download it, go and make sure to do that. Have a good day and bye-bye.
I told her ride it like a rental, it's just a rental. I'm not with all the sentimentals, just keep it simple.
You wanna know what I'm into, so you can get into it. I ain't tryna get into it. I done been through a lot of shit been on my mental. I done been through it. Niggas say they gon' kill me, Nike just do it. Bitches say they want the real.